going to be a low being brought down here. A nice front coming through here, a lot of rain coming through. And here we go again.
There's Loope Ozzie showing us how they create a low pressure to pull the rain out over the ocean and not on the land, accentuating the drought.
You see him starting to create a low. Here it comes. There it is. And look how it gets intense once it leaves the land. Look how it picks up. While it's on the land, it just stays blue. It doesn't get intense. And you see it breaking up again. And here comes the low. It's dragging it all away. There it goes. That's the low. There it is. And it drags it all offline again. It's crazy. And then it fizzles. Like it just fizzles. Look at it all. Watch how it goes. It all just like gets smashed. There's another one. Always at the front of Sydney. And look how it's smashing. Like, what's going on here?